Hang on. Alright, Miles and Brock, these are the super special lollipops we got you from the mall today.
Can I open them?
Yep. Open your eyes.
Wow, what? What? Is this real? I got bugs! Are these real bugs? Are these real?
Yes.
You can eat them?
No!
They're real. They're to eat.
No, are these real?
Yes.
Scorpion sucker.
What's wrong? They're delicious.
What kind of lollipop is it?
It says blueberry on the back.
What kind of
Mine
lollipop is it?
says scorpion.
What's in it? What's wrong?
It says scorpion.
What's in it?
I have a quick. Mine says scorpion.
What's in it? Let me see, Miles. Awesome. Do those look delicious?
No.
Can you say thank you?
I have a Quicken.
You say thank you? I got you a treat.
Wait. This is what they're.
Okay,
Yummy?
You want to race so you can eat theirs the fastest?
Is this a real scorpion?
Yes.